I just got a message from my new dude. Where you at? Question my blues, clues. I sat in the house and he said come through. I jumped in the car and it was Zoom.
Hi hotties and happy new year. I can't believe 2024 is here. I feel like 2023 just flew by, but with the new year becomes a new us. We're reinventing ourselves. I mean, we were already hot and sexy for our entire lives, come on. But fashion is one of the biggest ways that I like to express myself and it helps me feel confident. So with that, I wanted to show you a collective haul of everything that's making me feel like that girl, like I'm just hot. So let's go. Starting off with tops, I have this one on right now. Like, we love it. I love wearing green, especially with my hair because it's giving Asian Kim Possible. I think halter tops are extremely flattering, so I love just expanding my collection. This one is so cool and a little bit scandalous. Like, oh my gosh, you know, not too much with this kind of see-through design we have going on, but I do like that over the boobies. Like, it's opaque because I know a lot of sheer tops are like sheer everywhere. I'm like, girl, I don't want to be showing all that. So I think this one is perfect. Again, I love the color and it's really cool because this one came with a little scarf. I feel like 2007, 2008 Hannah Montana fashion is back. And you know what? We're just gonna go with it. I never thought in my life that I would like a little scarf like this, but it's so cute. I personally like to wear scarves only when my hair is up, so that's why I'm not wearing it right now because I feel like it'd be just too bottom heavy since my hair is down. I don't know if that made sense, but scarf. Oh, also, if you haven't watched my past like fashion 101 videos, I taught you how to dress for your body type and a really detailed guide on how to dress well, I guess. So if you feel like your outfits look bad on you or you kind of just don't know how to start, I promise you'll find those videos helpful. Kind of going off that one, I got this top. This on the hanger, you're not seeing the vision. I know, I get it. You're like, what even is this? But on, she's hot. In a past fashion video, I told you that I really like structured shoulders like this and also cutouts. This silhouette checks all the boxes for me, but I never had a white one, so that's why I opted for this one. I typically like to tie these into bows because if you know me at all, you know I'm a bow girl. I think this is so funny. One of my friends sent me like bows on Wingstop and that was just like but again, since I love expressing myself through my style and fashion, little details like these bows I feel like really encapsulate the person that I am. One of my favorite body parts, oh, that kind of sounded weird, but one of the things that I like about my body are my collarbones. Something about it just makes me feel confident. So I picked up this top. It has a square neckline there and it's honestly really flattering on the girls as well. Like, I'm really not gonna lie, I love this top. Red is one of my favorite colors to wear, so I thought that this was actually perfect. This top particularly caught my eye because of the strap. It's kind of wider right here and it tapers down. I just thought that was a really cool design. It hits at a really nice length. I like when tops kind of hover around the belly button area. Like, maybe you can see the belly button just a little bit, like, oh, like that's a little peak of the button, but it's not too much, you know. I think it's just a really kind of model off duty type cut. You could also see right here how it kind of flips out a little bit, and that is also really, really flattering. It kind of cinches in your waist. I also think that it's so cool that the cut on the front is contrasted by like the high neck in the back. One thing about me is that I am indecisive, so that means I can't choose just one style. I love switching my style or different aesthetics for different types of days or moods, so I picked this baby up. It's a really cool cargo vest. It has so many pockets for me to hide things like candy. Army green is also one of my favorite colors to wear. As you can see, I've been loving wearing baggy on baggy, and since this is not very form-fitting, I think it looks so dope with a pair of parachute pants. The fact that it's sleeveless too, I think adds just like a little bit of a cool factor. Another green thing that's added to my collection is this long sleeve. It's totally a different aesthetic than the vest that I just showed you, but again, that's the beauty of fashion. You don't have to choose one thing, baby. It has really beautiful cutout detailing right here and little dainty buttons. The material is so soft, and I was honestly kind of nervous about it because with material like this, sometimes my skin gets really sensitive, but this one is so soft and cozy. It's really perfect for layering. I feel like this would look so cool with a jacket over it, and you can see this little part peeking through, or just buttoning these top buttons and letting the rest hang free. I feel like it's just kind of like the absolute chokehold that the pink princess coquette aesthetic has had on TikTok, and everyone, including me, is actually insane. So I got this top. I love the color pink, but I don't have a lot of pink clothes. Long sleeve has a really cool like kind of boat neckline to it, and also flared sleeves that I think are really fun and whimsical. Okay, so this next thing kind of requires a little bit of backstory. Imagine you're me. We've had a really long day, you know, staring at a computer. We're patiently waiting for our boyfriend of 4 years to come home. Bae comes home bearing a package. He's like, oh my gosh, I need to have a try on haul for you. Like, I've been waiting for this shirt. I'm like, baby, like, I'm ready for this. Like, what is this cool new t-shirt that you got? I'm closing my eyes. I'm like, ooh, I'm so excited. I open my eyes and he's wearing a shirt of Chaewon from Le Sserafim. And obviously I can't even get mad at him because of course it's Chaewon. Like, she is that girl. Like, I love her so much. If anything, I'm mad that he thinks that he deserves her. Like, no, I can treat her way better. So as kind of an apology gift for Christmas, Martin got me this shirt. It's of my ultimate true love. Martin knows his place. He knows that he can never compare. Like, Jungkook is my bae forever. I know we probably sound crazy, especially if you're not a K-pop stan, but this is just so funny to me. I feel like this would be great if I was wearing this shirt and he was wearing his Chaewon shirt. But jokes aside, this t-shirt quality is immaculate. I love the way that it falls. It's a perfect fit. I love the kind of like long short sleeve vibe, you know? Whoever did the graphic design freaking killed it, and Jungkook. Kind of going off that baggy on baggy streetwear aesthetic. I don't know if that's correct, but I got this really dope vest from This Is Never That. It has a really cool faded floral design on it. It's great for the cold weather in California because it's a puffer jacket, but my arms are still free. This looks so cool with baggy bottoms. I wore these with baggy jeans and I feel like I was killing it. I was so comfy. It was giving. I did not have any tight or structured jackets in my wardrobe until I got this baby. The only thing that kind of deterred me away from getting a really tight jacket is that I feel like I'd be really constricted. Like I wouldn't be able to move my arms, but the fabric of this is pretty thin. And not in a bad way in this case, because again, I really wanted to be able to move my arms. It's a kind of faded brown leather look. I think it's just a really interesting like dimension to it. I really love pieces with high necklines like this, so I can button it up and actually unzip the rest of it. So there's kind of a peekaboo effect with whatever top I'm wearing under, but I also think it looks cool just fully zipped up. It has a couple pockets here, but for the moment of truth, I hate when women's clothes have fake pockets. This one's a fake pocket. Like, what even is the point? Like, I get it's more cost effective or whatever to not have pockets, but why are you gonna trick me like that? That is so... Anyways, it does have a cool zipper right here, so if I wanted to have a kind of flared sleeve, I can do that. Hottie, if I was the jacket, I would like to think that this would be me. It's this gorgeous light pink color, but the true star of the show are the bows. They're so cute and dainty. The first time I laid my eyes on this, I was in absolute awe. I think it is so beautiful. The first time I wore it, I was absolutely sweating balls because it was actually like 71 degrees or something. So tell me why I was wearing a puffer jacket, but I just wanted to wear it so badly because again, it's so me. Oh, there's even bows like on the collar area. Stunning. Probably one of my favorite new pieces. This Stussy hoodie makes me feel like Barney, but like in a cool girl way. I don't know. I love the color purple, but this is my first clothing piece ever that is purple, so yay, new development. The back says, Stussy built tough worldwide since 1980. For reference, I'm 5'2", so I got a size medium, and I think it fits perfectly. It drapes over, but it's not like I'm being swallowed in this hoodie. I'm just being gently hugged. All right, last outerwear piece that I have is this kind of puffer fluffy jacket. I just finished rewatching Avatar for like the millionth time. It's my ultimate comfort show. And not gonna lie, when I wear this, I'm gonna feel like Appa. It's giving ice princess realness. Super cozy and soft. I hope it gets really cold soon because I want to wear this and not sweat. Finally, moving over to bottoms. Oh my gosh, I had way more clothes in here than I thought I did. But truly, who doesn't love a little bit of retail therapy? I feel like for the new year, I should actually go to real therapy, but... I have tons of the traditional parachute pants that are like super big and wide and I love them so much, but I thought I would switch it up with this pair. They are still technically parachute pants, but slimmer and more straight leg. I think this color is super unique. I feel like it could add just a little bit of spice to anything. It has that kind of athletic, sporty vibe to it because of the ties right here. Another pair of parachute pants I got were these ones that I'm wearing right now. They're really basic and black, so they can match with anything. The cool thing about them is that you can adjust the waist right here with these elastic ties, and honestly, I love elastic pants because when you need to go pee, because I need to go pee so much. I don't know if there's something wrong with my bladder, or if I'm just a hydrated queen. I just need to, I don't know. But when I do need to go, I can just push them down and then just push them back up when I'm done. I know it only takes like 5 seconds to do a zipper and button, but it's just so much nicer just having elastic pants. Oh, this has been on my wish list for months, like maybe even a year, but it's this really cute little set. I love wearing sets while I'm working from home because it makes you just feel just a little bit more put together, but I still want to be comfy. Only thing that kind of grinds my gears just a little bit is that they don't completely match. The bottoms are definitely more opaque than the top, and I just wonder why that is. Why couldn't it have just been the same material, especially since it's a set? But overall, I really do like them. It's just, that's the only thing that kind of bothers me about it. This dress is unlike anything else in my wardrobe, and that's kind of precisely why I got it. It's just because when I'm going out and I want to feel sparkly and cute, I don't have anything to match that. So I got this really adorable glittery dress. It's strapless and it kind of has a little scandalous cut right here. I'm definitely gonna be wearing like safety shorts under. I'm thinking this is gonna be really cute for a little night out or a cute cute dinner. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be like a disco ball. I'm kind of going in a weird order right now, but next up are skirts. If you've been here for a while, you would know that I used to hate wearing skirts. I was really insecure about my legs, but you know what? We're growing up, we're maturing, we're feeling confident in ourselves. So it's kind of like a knitted or net material. It's a fit and flare style, which is personally my favorite style of skirt to wear. And because of the neutral color, I feel like we'll match with a lot of things. The only thing is that I'm always scared of wearing light colored bottoms because what if I just sit in something nasty? And then what? You know? I love cute little pleated skirts on other people, so I thought I would pick this up. I got it in a brown color because I like wearing earth tones. This one is from Aritzia, so it's super high quality. I really like the way that it falls. Since this is technically like an athletic skirt, it has built-in shorts in it, which is literally a godsend. Like, I love when it's built in. This might be kind of picky, but I like how the pleats are kind of thin. A lot of pleated skirts that I see are pretty wide. The waistband is pretty snug on your body, but it's not super constricting or like, ugh, like I'm having a tummy ache because of it. This next one is kind of random because I was like, be so for real. Do you really think that socks are like super important? Like, why are these socks trending? They're kind of expensive for socks. Like, I'm okay with my Hanes, you know? But when these went on sale, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try it. I wanna see what the hype is all about. And I fear that the girlies were right. These socks are so warm and thick. They hit at the perfect spot of your ankles. I was like, wow. Like, why am I feeling some type of way about socks? I feel bad for ever doubting the TikTok girlies. Another sock I've been loving is this gray pair. When I actually wear them, they're pretty sheer, and I think it just looks really cool. It adds like a nice little layer / accessory to your outfit. Sometimes I don't want to do my hair. Sometimes I don't want to curl. Like, I do like to do it. Like, I like the end result. Like, I'm feeling kind of cute right now, but sometimes I just want that shit up because sometimes I get overstimulated with hair like on my shoulders and I just don't like it. And claw clips have been my ride or die for like the past couple of years, but I wanted a way to switch it up, so I got this one. It has these huge bows on it, and I think it looks so cool because when you put it in your hair, it just adds a little bit of elegance and just like a cute little like girly pop to it. But at the end of the day, it's just a claw clip, so it's so easy to put your hair in it. I just love accessories that really elevate the look without too much effort. This has been my ultimate bag of this year. I love it so much. I know it is huge, and that's how I like it. I carry so many things with me all the time. I don't know why. I have so much on me at all times. Like, I love being the mom of the group. Like, if someone needs a band-aid, like, I got you. I got you. Let me just go in here for a second and try to find it for 5 minutes, but I got you. So many it girls have this bag, so I thought I would customize it as well with this little Miffy keychain. This bag really exudes an effortless cool girl vibe, which I love. Surprisingly matches with basically all of my outfits, so this is my go-to bag. Okay, well, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Perhaps you learned a thing or two, maybe to expand your own dream wardrobe or your style. And again, if you need more help, you can check out my other fashion videos. They're super helpful. Not to pat myself on my own back, but I'm patting myself on my back. So excited for the new year, and oh my gosh, big news. This morning we hit 900,000 hotties. Like, no, not gonna cry, not gonna cry. I feel so much gratitude and love for every single one of you. Thank you so much for being here. YouTube is such a safe space for me, and the fact that you are here with me right now means so much to me, truly. The new year is here, baby, and I can't wait for the future for all of us. I love you so, so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Drip, drip, cornflakes. Give you a kiss, kiss